In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use profile groups and tags in Adspower. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your profiles so you can find what you need faster and keep your workflow tidy and consistent. Let's start with groups. Think of groups as your high-level folders for profiles that belong together, such as by project, campaign, or team. In Adspower, look to the sidebar and open the Groups section. In the top right, click New Group. A small window will appear where you can enter a name. Pick something clear and memorable. Short, specific names usually work best. Then click OK to save it. That's it. Your group is ready, and it will serve as the backbone of your organization, keeping related profiles collected in one place. Now let's talk about tags, which are more flexible than groups. Tags act like labels you can attach to individual profiles to describe attributes such as status, location, or priority. When you're creating a new profile, you'll see a tag field during setup. Click into that field and type the tags you want to use. You can add multiple tags to a single profile, so feel free to combine descriptors like active, testing, or region-specific terms. The goal is to give yourself quick, meaningful context at a glance. Keep tags short, consistent, and relevant so they're easy to scan later. If you've already created profiles and want to add or adjust tags, Quick Edit mode is your friend. Hover over the profile row you want to update, then click the pencil icon that appears. This opens a lightweight editor where you can select or edit tags without going into the full profile settings. It's ideal for small adjustments as your work evolves, like marking a profile as paused, adding a channel label, or updating a priority. Remember, multiple tags per profile are perfectly fine. Using a combination of tags lets you reflect real-life nuances, such as a profile's phase, market, or purpose. To wrap up, use groups to establish a clear structure across your profiles, and use tags to layer in details that cut across those groups. A simple naming convention for both will help you stay consistent over time. As your workflows change, you can revisit your tags and keep them aligned with how you actually work. With these practices in place, your Adspower workspace will stay organized, scalable, and easy to manage.